This is the first video tutorial and has the very basics for using GoFormative. So if you go to goformative.com, click on Login, choose Login with Google and your name. It brings you right to your GoFormative dashboard. To create a new GoFormative, you click on Add New Formative, give it a title, and then from there you can start adding questions. So you could click on the plus sign, and these red boxes are all content that you can add as the teacher for the kids to look at as part of the question. So if you wanted to record yourself saying something and then have them answer a question about it, you would choose audio. If you want to embed a link or put an image in for them to analyze, or a text block, a YouTube video, or a whiteboard that you draw something on, you can add this content to your question type. This is not necessary. But let's just pretend you wanted to put a YouTube video in. You would go to YouTube, and let's say we wanted to teach them about matter. Okay, and of course we look at all the videos, we decide this one is the best one and click on it.
Who's ready?
Once you know this is the video you want, what I do is I click the share link, copy the link, go back to the tab for GoFormative, choose video, paste the link in. This is the video, so I'm going to add it. Now the video is here, and I can add questions here to go along with the video by clicking that plus sign and just make something up. And then, sorry, having a typing issue. Oh my goodness. Why won't I delete this? There we go. Sorry about that. And then by clicking the circle here, I'm letting the GoFormative know that this is the right answer. And now I've created a question. Again, this is the basic tutorial. You can go on and add more questions here if you want to. Just remember that if you choose audio response, they reply with audio. If you choose categorize, okay, you can drag the items. So type your question. Put the items in the correct category. Okay, item 1, your couch. I don't know why this is typing backwards on me. C-O-U-C-H. Number 2, iced tea. And number 3, water. And the final one would be, okay. And then this category label is solid, liquid, and gas. And then you need to drag these items to allow for this to grade itself, to make it self-correcting for the kids. Okay, so every question has the option to be self-grading for the most part. Obviously, audio response is not going to be an option, I don't believe. Categorizes free response. You can put in keywords, I believe, that would allow you it to be partially self-grading, but that's one you would have to check. Matching is self-grading. You have to match it up in the right way so that it can self-grade. Multiple choice, you click on the circle. Multiple selection, you do the same thing. I'm not quite sure about graphing and numeric. I'm going to have to look that up. I'll make a separate tutorial. Resequencing, you put it in the right order so it's self-grading. Short answer, you can put keywords in, But with short answer, I always think it's best to check it because I don't think we could ever cover every keyword. Show your work, you would have to check. True and false, you don't have to. Video response, you would have to check. So play around with these, create, and from here, I'll create more tutorials for you to help you with the next steps in Go Formative.